Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we are doing here with our videos and our cryptocurrency markets, please join us on YouTube by heading over to the FXStreet YouTube channel and then hitting the subscribe button. And if you like what I'm talking about, you can follow me here at JustAnalysis1 on Twitter. Taking a look at Litecoin. So Litecoin's been kind of a laggard. I mean, anybody remember the day when Litecoin was one of the big three? It was right up there with Ethereum and Bitcoin. It's kind of been relegated to the dustbin of why is it even a thing anymore? But it still has a lot of adherence. It still trades a lot, still has a lot of volume. It's still one of the cryptocurrencies that is looked at by institutions for whatever reason. But there are some opportunities in front of us right now, even though there's some, near-term weakness being experienced across the crypto space, especially coming off of the heels of the Fed notes yesterday. You're seeing, in currency markets, the dollar spiking up, the yen is spiking up. You've got all that going on. And cryptos have had a really nice run. It's not uncommon to see a little bit of profit taking, but for Litecoin, it's positioned beautifully for a nice spike up higher above a triple top. So if a new column of X's forms and it moves up to 210, that'll form a double top. In point and figure analysis, the hypothetical entry would be at 212 and the stop loss is at 204. Now, using the vertical profit target method in point and figure, the projected target is at 240. I actually moved it up to 250 just because that's a more important psychological number. So 250 is the ultimate kind of, short-term high price before we find some sellers and a deeper pullback. Now, at the present time, because there is some selling pressure, it's a good idea to look at the downside here too. So not really looking at a short, but just looking at a couple zones to identify as far as where support might come in, because there are some. Now, when we look at the fib expansion from the swing high here at 215, actually, I'll just label them so it's a little bit easier to see and increase the font size. So the swing of ABC using a fib expansion, the likely zone that it would go to in the event of a pullback here, if it drops below 200, we'll have it see the 168 value area, which is where the 100% fib extension is. Deeper than that, that brings us all the way down to 142, where the 1618 fib expansion is. Looking at the candlestick chart, though, you may be limited to that 180 zone because that is where the 2021 volume point of control is at. And so that's what I see on Litecoin, and we'll update it as needed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.